Time now 5:13 and time for 5 things you need to know before you go. Florida's sales tax holiday on school supplies begins today, and we have made it really easy for you to figure out which clothes, school supplies, computer items will be tax exempt for the next 3 days. Just check out this article on the front page of our website at abcactionnews.com. Remington College wants to make sure your kids look their best as they head back to school throughout the month of August. The college's Tampa campus on MLK Boulevard will be offering free haircuts for kids 17 and under. A unique film opens today at the Tampa Theater. Richard Linklater's Boyhood is the tale of an ordinary boy growing up in America. It is being called epic because it actually took 12 years to make. You'll see the boy at 6 years old and as he grows into a man. The Tampa Bay Buccaneers are hosting their 2014 night practice at Raymond James Stadium tonight. Autograph vouchers will be distributed at the box office starting at 4 this afternoon. Practice begins at 7:30 and concludes with a fireworks show at 9:45. And the Tampa Bay Comic Con opens today at Tampa Convention Center. Dozens of comic book artists and dealers are participating. Celebrity guests include Richard Madden and Pedro Pascal from Game of Thrones. Also, John Rhys Davis. Gamili? Is that right, Shano? Gamili from Lord of the Rings. All right, we'll post more on all these events a little later this morning on abcactionnews.com.